This program is brought to you by Jump Ball. Number 23, easy layup by number team. 23, that's layup. Not good. 12. Nangitag kapasahan. Pass to number 66. 66 drive. Shoot. In favor of blue team. Pito pass. What a block. Abanyo. Abanyo. Last throw. Good. Back to Kapaw. Pass to Soto. Reverse layup. Not. Pass to Rodrigue. Put back number 18. Stolen by Tatay Rodrigue. Not good. Again. 15 seconds remaining. Good for 2 by number. Lucky leader Sigam, Pipito nagbabadali. Attack the rim. Siya. Abanyo. Good for 2 by Abanyo. Period. Pipito tries for 3. Not good. Rodrigue. Good for 2 by Rodrigue. 19 in favor of blue team. Pass to Pariol. Good for 2 by Pariol. Rebound by baseball pass by Guerrena. Pass to number 23, Black Mera. Good for 2. Ang pandesal ng masa. Good for 3 by Mera. That's
slide?
maka-answer mag-iupinan na ito dito. Dribbles the ball, pass to Mera. Try to answer. Goal. Guerrena. To Rodrigue, pass to number 23. Back to Mera, good for 2. Good for 2 by game. Guerrena, pass to Lim. Guerrena, good 2. Rodrigue. Bossing labang. For 3.